Well, hello there. Yeah, I can say good morning and good morning because it is morning. We're out here in Batavia. Got a little fountain to do a rehab on and get it fixed. Needs a new liner. Had some issues and we're going to upgrade it a little bit. Let's go back and have a look at it. So it's been in disarray for a little while. It's kind of a complicated situation with retaining wall blocks and it's just failed a few times. Might get a little loud in here, so bear with us. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of Pond's ink right there. Hey, Tony. How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah? What's your assessment?
We're just making one now.
Yeah? Hey, Francisco.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Hey, Victor. How are you? So, here's what we got going on. You can see it's in a...
Like my jacuzzi?
Yeah, your jacuzzi's beautiful. Glad you're cleaning it. So anyway, we got to take and change this up a little. We're basically going to leave the top the way it is, and we're going to add a new liner to it. So it's going to be a little bit of a transformation. It'll be going to put a few eco blocks in there and pump vault, and just make it so it's a little bit better for service. Change the depth just a tiny bit there, and a little rock and gravel on the bottom. That should just look a little nicer, and that'll be about it. So simple but yet a little complicated. So we'll check back later and you guys can see what she looks like. Alright folks, here we are. We're back in Geneva. I think they got it complete, hopefully. I'm gonna go back and take a look at it and see how it looks. So let's go have a peekaboo. All right. So you remember what it looked like? It was a big nasty black hole. Definitely needed help. It was leaking. Old liner in there wasn't doing too good. So, oh, I hear it running. Everybody's gone. So I think they're done. Look at that. Looks nice, huh? Let's take a look inside the water. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but the reflection of the sun and everything, but there's actually rock and gravel all on the bottom. We moved the overflow back into this corner here, so it's hard to see. Before they had it way out here in the middle. And on this corner they had the pump and everything was exposed so you could see it. And it was about 2 foot deeper if you recall. So a lot more unsafe if somebody was to fall in it. But you can see the rocks in there. Just looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Edging's cleaned up nice. Pump now is in a pump vault and makes it easy to access. Everything is done the way that it's supposed to be done. So we didn't do anything with the top section because it didn't need it. We adjusted this weir a little bit so that it was level and straight. Sealed it back up. And that was the process. Come in here and fix it and make it work again. So job site's nice and clean. Looks pretty good. Yeah. So there you have it. Another Pond's ink water feature fountain, repaired, working, looking good. So now the next step is to talk them into some filtration. We could do a bog up here, believe it or not. Plants could be growing. Like, look at that. Got plants behind it, but we can actually do aquatic plants in there. We can even put a pressure filter on there with a UV light to really polish the water up and make it crystal clear all the time. So right now there's no filter on it, so that'll be what we're talking to them about. But stay tuned. So anyway, have a good one, and I hope you like it. Talk to you later.